With these home remedies, the dirt in the lungs gets cleaned. Now here the easy way. Home remedy for lungs. Problems related to lungs are also increasing nowadays, due to which there is a problem in breathing. In such a situation, here we are telling some home remedies by using which the accumulated dirt in the lungs can be reduced. Lungs cleaning due to today's run of the mill life and polluted air. People are coming in the grief of many deadly diseases, diabetes, thyroid, cancer, hypertension, etc. Due to this, people are being forced to eat avoidable food at an early age. Let us tell you that problems related to lungs are also increasing nowadays, due to which there is a problem in breathing. In such a situation, here we are telling some home remedies by using which the accumulated dirt in the lungs can be reduced. Green tea is the easiest and most effective way to clean the dirt in the lungs. It also works to reduce swelling. It also prevents the deterioration of lung tissue. Steam is also a good way to clean the dirt in the lungs. Taking steam is not only good for the lungs but also for the skin. Licorice tea prevents the elements that damage the lung tissue. This also improves the respiratory system. Cinnamon tea helps to get rid of the problem of birth and infection. Ginger is rich in antibacterial and antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. In such a situation, it helps in getting rid of lung problems. Due to this, the problem of phlegm and gets cured in a few days. Pranayam also gives relief from the problem of lungs. To get rid of this problem, do Anulom Vilom. This is also effective. Thanks for watching. Take care.